In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable blood effect in Free Fire. So to enable this, I have in here this particular article. You can also first install Free Fire on your phone by going over to your Play Store and installing it from there. So I have in here the best sensitivity settings for Free Fire. For general, you can do 90 out of 100, red dot on this range, with 2 times scope at 75 to 85, 4 times at 65 to 75, and sniper scope at 30 to 50. However, if you want to enable the blood effect, do take note that you can check the game's display or control settings for hit effect, which is often set to red or classic. So this is what we're calling about this, and you can use colorblind mode if you're actually colorblind to change the color of blood status for better visibility. So you just need to enable this. They're already enabled as they are default. You can actually just adjust the hit effects or colorblind settings associated. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.